Look who we got. We got CJ out tonight. Wait, guys, let me start the video. What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Bueno, guys, today me and CJ are actually spectators. We're what? We're what? Wait, we're what? We're spectators, guys. Our trucks are broken down, but they're getting fixed for October 5th, guys. Don't miss out. Where are we going to? Colorado. Guys, pura trucks, we're gonna put the flag right here, guys. You guys do not want to miss out. But we're spectators right now. But the good thing, we got homies that will let us borrow their vehicles, right? Oh, guys, I don't know if you guys remember. He actually drove that one, guys, about like 2 months ago, and he blew the motor. That was actually your fault, no? Guys, Triple is actually a little drip car. You got a handbrake and everything. Hit. But the question is, what car are you gonna mess up today? I think that one. That one? You gonna drive that one today? I'm gonna drive Ricky's. I'll probably drive Ricky's. I don't know yet. Ricky's or that lining that just went in right now. Okay. Yeah. That shit was I seen that. That shit was nice. I think that car already blew up. It's my turn. It's actually Ricky's turn. It's not your turn. It's Ricky's turn. We got Ricky going in next. We got Ricky. The little flag. Okay. Okay. We got lost in the smoke. There he goes. Dang, guys, Ricky going crazy. Hey, Ricky came super horny, huh? Hey, he did good. A little fight 3, stock fight 3. Huh? Guys, if you guys need a tutor, make sure to go hit up who?
Big shout out Josh.
Josh, I know this 3 guys. We're gonna put his Instagram right here in the bottom. That guy gets down my chin, as you guys seen. That one works. Oh wait, this one's tuned by Josh too, but I think it has a stock motor, everything stock. Everything stock, guys. Everything fully stock. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Oh, it works! It works! You got it, you got it, you got it! Guys, you guys know who that is right there? That's Pedro, that's Elotes. That's Elotes right there, that's Elotes. He turned on the lights because he couldn't see where he was going, huh? Let's go check up on these fools. Yo, what the hell, guys? Look what they brought me. Oh, look what they brought me so I could drive. Oh. Who? Pedro? That's Pedro. Elotes. Hey, ¿por qué andas con la pijama, güey? La de borrego. Guys, we got Otto and Lucio out here. Who's in the truck? I think we got Nate over here. We got Nate. This is the guy we left over there in the streets of Mexico. Hey, Mr. Nate. You look tired, bro. I was about to tell you look tired. Why you look tired? 24 hours? About? Half of 24? It's 13. Okay, Nate. You're like, I'm so tired. I don't even know how to tell what's 1 + 1, right? Look at this. Guys, we got Otto stressing Nate out, making him work too much. Why are you making Nate work so much, bro? He said he worked a full day, bro. 13 hours.
And he ain't showered in 10 days.
Just like you. Oh yeah, they're exactly like, you know, must be on. I don't. Are those yours? Damn. What is that red one gonna do though? You're missing hair. What is that red one gonna do though?
Gonna do a little bit baby shampoo 2.0 and you ain't even know it.
Oh, guys, what the hell? Even this guy's here?
Bro, why the fuck I broke my door last night?
Oh, what happened? Guys, yesterday was actually Chris's birthday. Big happy birthday to compa Chris, guys. His dad and his mom were like, oh, el Chalo y Luis están adentro dormidos en la cama. So I go there with my compa Sente, walk in there. I don't know what happened, guys. As soon as we turn around, the door from the room just fell. Like we just started cracking up. And then they were like, hey, Isma broke the door. I'm like, I didn't break the door. She was already broke it.
Isma broke the door at the shop for the bathroom.
Oh my God! Now I break doors now. Hey, but this fool is, hey, I'm gonna tell you something. When this fool sleeps, when I wake him up, because he wakes up mad. He's like, what the fuck? Get the fuck out the room. We're like, so? We're still gonna be here. But what you guys bring out today? Oh, we got robalonches? God damn, guys. This is the famous robalonches. This is the one that these guys be giving them right on the LSA. But yeah, guys, you don't know, man. I got you, Chava. All the way? Which way? Well, you steer, fool. I'll push, you steer. The other way, which way? More? Right there? Ingasu, ma.
I was telling him I was driving when we were in Apple Valley, bro.
The truck?
I want to drive it, yeah.
Let's throw them in there right now.
Hey, man, Apple Valley was cool, but, man, it was supposed to be the...
Oh, not like the day we went. That we did this matter. The truck almost caught on fire like 5 times.
We gotta go back for sure.
Guys, Apple Valley. You guys will see us out there soon.
Hopefully they're not
With
mad
Otto.
about the floor still, but...
Why, what you do?
I didn't do nothing.
Oh, you're talking about when I went.
No, when I went... Oh, never mind.
I leaked a lot of, it was just like in the edge, but we threw dirt.
Just a hole.
What you leak?
Just a little hole.
Apple Valley Speedway track, we're sorry about what Otto did.
Yeah, we are gonna go back.
We'll go back and mop it with it. We'll go back and mop it with the barba.
follow rules.
Hey, but where are you gonna be October 5 though? Come on, where are you gonna be October 5?
Where am I gonna be? Where are you taking me?
Oh, to my room to go play video games.
We're going to Colorado.
That's why to my room in the Airbnb in the room.
I don't know about
Okay.
all of that.
No, but like we're playing video games in the Airbnb. I'm gonna go buy a PS5 or PS6, whatever.
I don't know about all of that.
Why? They don't got a pool, but they got a jacuzzi. How about you go in the jacuzzi with me? It's not even that deep. It's a jacuzzi. It's like this tall. Guys, I don't be tripping. I know why he's tripping because he's not putting it in the air right now. That's why. Hey, but we're gonna be October 5th though. Guys, we're going to Colorado, guys. So October 5th, we're gonna put the flyer right here one more time, guys. Make sure to pull up. We're gonna have Otto. We're gonna have CJ. We're gonna have Church. Myself. Hey, we even got Sal. Sal Transmission is actually going too. I don't know if the homie Edgar's gonna go, but if anybody out there. Oh, I seen he does. He got some hands. He's got some hands. But guys, if anybody out here in California, Los Angeles area, or on the way to Colorado wants to go with us, guys, let's go. I'm from my Instagram right here, guys. Make sure to send me a DM or send a DM to Otto, guys. We're gonna put Otto's Instagram right here too, guys. Make sure to hit us a DM and so we can all roll deep, go out there, guys. Like I said, guys, it's a badass show over there. It's open for anything, guys. Tandems, easy, guys. At least like 4 or 5 good tandem trucks can fit in there. Like all.
Yeah, but look, I ain't gonna lie, Colorado ain't gonna be tripping about the floor. Right?
Nah, guys. Colorado right there.
We got
gonna trip out. Oh, damn, the Mustang valió chiste de gallina, primo. No pasa nada, fool. I give you 1,000 right now, my boy. I give you 1,000 for it right now. Nah, that motherfucker clean though. It's back on. But yeah, guys, if anybody wants to roll with us, like I said, hit us up and pull up with us, guys, to go do this might out there in Colorado. But yeah, guys, make sure to go and look at this guy.
Antifreeze all over it.
Oh my! So this guy just fucked up the track right now. Hey, just tell him it's water, bro. By the time 2-3 cars go in there, they'll try it up. No pasa nada. Yeah, guys. Well, you guys seen that guy just leaked some antifreeze, and now they have to clean the whole track. Otto, waste the whole what? Like a whole 30 minutes right now. That, and we pull up late to the track.
Have to go around the antifreeze like,
Nah, I want to see you hit the antifreeze. If a real driver hits the antifreeze and you stay there, you're good. If you don't spin out, you're good. I know, because you're going to spin out on the antifreeze right now. Ah! All right, guys, well. Oh, no. Damn, twin turbo setup? Oh, I need this for my truck.
Nah, it's because I put that nice hood.
Oh, you know what? I've been needing this one, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I've been needing this one. That's okay, guys. So ahorita we're just gonna wait for them to clean the track, and we're about to go in to do this mighty, right? All right, guys. We're having an issue with the motor. The motor seized. Guys, we got elotes. Elotes.
That's gone from the bottom, boy.
Knock. Who's there? It'll make it home though. We need oil. It's probably low on oil.
Oh, that should be leaking around.
Yeah. Turn it off.
Let it lock.
Let it lock. Oilo. Let it lock.
Number 3? Motor 4.
Motor number 4. Pero no hace caso. ¿Cómo está?
No pasa nada, guys. Full send.
Ahí tenemos como otros 5 en la casa.
Puro Mickey.
Tenemos como unos 10 con Church. Oh, I like this hood for abusadora.
500.
¿Cómo que 500? I'll give you 2. 200. What do you mean the truck is yours? What are you talking about? Oh, she left it on.
Nah, just leave it like that one, leave.
Ya, we leave, we'll just...
A ver si llega.
The battery's no good. ¿Cómo que a ver si llega? Si llega, viejo. Va a llegar para el yonque. Petro, va a llegar para dónde? Al yonque.
A mi casa.
Hey, ¿cómo camarada? Si ya la compré yo. We already bought it, bro. That's it. We already bought it.
Let me see the jumper one more time.
Check the oil.
I feel like it needs oil, wait. Because that should be leaking.
Well, you gotta clean that first.
They don't got no oil.
Pedro,
Go buy.
No, hombre.
let's go.
Let's go.
No marcó nada. No marcó nada. Aceite.
But I thought it's gone already.
Yeah, you already.
Nah, we can fix it.
There's not the lifters.
No, it's the bottom.
It's the bottom.
Let's go buy oil.
Why are you tripping, bro?
Hey, think I'd rather save it for my bad, right?
Damn. Hey, and what you tell me earlier? You're gonna swing what? You're gonna swing the truck? I said, nah, I'm good. I'm good. Hell no. Ahí déjala. You guys gonna go para hoyo?
Yeah.
You have cash with you, Ricky?
Oh, fuck, it's in the middle.
You need cash? No, here, wait. Better give some cash. Wait. Oh, ya se lo llevaron. Oh, no, acá está el billetón. Un cincuentón. Oh, los cigarros porque mi compa ahorita anda bien stressful. Anda bien stressful. Anda bien stressing ahorita mi compa. Mira, mira. Unos cincuentón los cigarros porque anda ya estresado y ya lo conozco. You got lighter? All right, I'm going to continue vlogging over here. Bye. Guys, we got Otto in the pit already. Let me go with it. Let me go. Míralo. Let's go get Otto, guys. Let's go get Otto. He's going crazy already in the pit. Míralo. On shampoo 2.0. La shampoo 2.0. Guys, we got Luisillo next. Guys, we got Luis next. He said he's gonna crash it for content. Right? You're gonna go, boom. Just grab yourself on good, bro, to the volante. Agárrate el volante cuando pegues. I know he wasn't playing when he said he was gonna crash it, huh? Guys, we even got Sal out here, bro. Where's my truck at? Save. Guys, he's actually going through my abusadora. Guys, I don't know if you guys remember out in New Mexico, Albuquerque. Something happened with the transmission. Oh, why does it look so shiny, bro? Guys, we disintegrated the transmission. It went kaboom, right? But no pasa nada, because you're gonna have it ready for when? No. You have it ready for, I know, tomorrow, but for October 5th. And who else is going with this in Colorado? It's a lot of us. Guys, a lot of us from LA are gonna be going out there, and we about to do this party, right? We want all the smoke. All right, guys, you guys already heard Sal, but for now we gotta enjoy some more burnouts. Yeah, nomás, míralo. All right, guys, for right now, I'm gonna be riding with Pedro, el compa Elotes. Damn, I can't even see you, bro. Oh, we back with the disco light or what? Both of them? God damn, esos son para los moscos. Inga su madre, primo. Eso mira, ya sabes qué. Y there it goes. But guys, dice que esos son para los moscos. Mira, ¿cómo le hace? God damn. All right, guys. Well, as you guys know, we were gonna continue recording more vehicles, doing the burnouts right here, Irwindale. But Ricky, guys, decided to leave home because he started getting like a little raw knock. And on the way home, all we gotta say is that we got a call, and he said the engine went kaboom on the freeway, and we're on the way right now to go pull him to the house and a ver qué pasa, guys. Hopefully nothing bad happened, but he said there's oil on the bottom of the truck, huh?
Oh, it made a hole.
Guys, he said it made a hole in the bottom of the block, and
yeah, I don't know what happened. De repente stopped.
¿Se paró? Stop?
Stop.
All right, guys, so we're on our way right now con el compa Ricky, so we can pull him to the house. So a ver qué pasa ahorita, so let's go. He's more up that way. Guys, and Ricky. Yeah, what was all that?
It blew and then you went back. So the reversa si sirve, seguro.
¿De reversa si sirve? ¿Cómo que reversa? Oh, right there. What happened, Ricky?
I just sold it.
Hey, you went back? What happened?
It went kaboom.
Oh, it went kaboom. What's that? Pruébala. No mames. Well, guys, valió chichis de gallina la troca del Ricky, but no pasa nada, guys, so we'll get it fixed. Oh, look. Is that a rod or is that a piece of rod or is that a rock? I think this is a piece of the mortar. Wait, I can't even get it right. No, that's a rock. I thought it was a piece of mortar, but no, it's a rock. I was like, no.
Ah, the trucker was right here. I backed it up. Look, what you want to see is over there in front of the truck.
So what is this?
What the fuck? This is ours?
Yeah, that's my like transmission. Oh, he's over here. Nah, same thing. So hey, you still drove it in reverse or what?
It still starts, look.
No, we don't turn it on. Well, it probably has a hole in the block already.
Hey, don't lock it up.
Don't lock it up.
It's not locked up.
Yeah, but if you can turn it on, you're gonna lock it up.
Let's go.
Wait. Guys, let's see if we can see the right side. No se mira nada. We can't see nothing. Ahora acá abajo. No, nothing, guys.
Hey, it's a Lucho?
you gonna drive it?
Yes, I'm scared, fool.
What?
I'm gonna run onto my own truck. That's how you're kidding me, fool. You're gonna be like, you're the one that did it break.
No, but I'll go with you then. I'll go with you. All right, guys. Well, let me jump in with elotes. Vámonos, vámonos, vámonos. I'm gonna go with him. Hey, he's scared. What happened? Hey, what did I give you earlier? The cigarettes, right? Míralo. No pasa nada. We'll get it fixed quick. All right, guys. Ahora sí, vamos a subirnos porque si no, aquí nos va a dejar. Hasta el fondo, ¿qué? Dale gas, fool. Hey, don't text and drive, my boy.
No pasa nada.
Don't text and drive.
Esta madre no se mide ni verga.
We have to take off the tee. All right, guys. Well, inga su madre este way. Hold the brake. Gotta hold the brake. We're gonna make it all the way home like this. Este way que sí le vale madre. Huh?
Hey, why you didn't drive it, fool?
Oh, you're driving it. Así si chocas, you crash your own truck.
Ay, la verga.
Hey, Lucio!
Not too fast, fool.
What?
I can't see.
Guys, if you guys need a risky tow, if you guys get stuck in the middle of somewhere, make sure to hit them. Rickaholics on Instagram. I'll put Instagram right here, guys. Make sure to hit them up if you guys need a tow. Este güey le vale madre. And this fool says he's gonna be the one steering the other one, right? Ahorita se va a ir para el carpool, güey.
Me va a salir diabetes a la verga.
Diabetes.
Ay.
No mames. We got Luisillo in the back. Pítele.
Dale, pata al fondo.
Pata el fondo, cut. Guys, we're gonna check how fast we're going. Look. Oh,
Ay,
damn!
nos vamos a matar.
Turn it back on. The fastest truck, look guys, from 0 to 60. And not even a second, huh? No mames. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna get home safe right now. Ahorita no va a pasar nada. Alright guys, I'm gonna hop out to get you guys some outside footage. Este güey se va a llevar la luz. No, que se espere. Wait, buddy! Go! Now we can take it. Oh, I forgot this window doesn't open. Well guys, the motor valió chichis de gallina. Big shout out to the viejones with this arco right here. They're always hooking it up. We're almost home. We're not that far. Mira lo que tiene este cabrón aquí. Boom, blown treasure. ¡Viejones! Un saludo a los compas de Mocorito. I was not gonna be able to stop right now. ¡Ale! Guys, está haciendo un pinche friazo. Y ando acá de loco. Look at this. Turn! What the hell was that? Venga su madre. I don't know, something was popping down here. Guys, big shout out to Luisillo, que se viene atrás de nosotros. Oh, we got some traffic in the front. Pero no pasa nada. Lo bueno, guys, that we made it home. El compa ahí le está dando cabeza al compa. Oh, that's right, Diego. I think that was a stop right there, buddy. Boom. Venga su madre. Hey guys, the bumper on Pedro's truck está todo madreado. He said it was new. And guys, we have made it home. Lo bueno que hay fuerte. Go, keep going, go forward, go. No, go to the right, keep going.
See my bumper?
No, it's all
Look.
dented down.
Cuz you didn't put it right here like the last time.
Yeah, ándale, güey.
No pasa nada.
No, ya se arregló, that's it.
It's for signing it,
It's good, just go forward, go more forward.
I told you.
I told you.
Hey,
Luisillo.
I told you. when they turn, what happened? The difference.
I don't know. So they pop like, bah, 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 bah. I don't know.
I'm the proud owner because I'm about to sell it.
All right, guys. Well, the good thing that we made it home. Big shout out to Licio. He was in the back. Mira, Licio está preocupado por el pinche ven ahí. Aquí está preocupado por el motor, primo. Se mareó. Sí, güey. Esto me prendía la llave, güey. Decía 70. How many? 75 o cuánto? 75. Este güey dice, dile que le baje. Llámale, dile que le baje. Oh. Esto Fernando.
Hey, man.
Estos cabrones.
Next week I'll come out with a 6-speed cam, everything.
Oh,
Not in
damn.
this.
Oh shit.
It's some other shit.
No pasa nada, huh? All right, guys. So the good thing that it made it home some way, somehow.